Kulit fi barang bersama IP sa channel ak samdit ya kini video mtaksi yang ni IP ki post balak pelat ka Directorate of Health Services Shillong te perlu kan kini ki post ki balak pelat ka Office of the Director of Health Services Medical Education Research Meghalaya Pasture Hills Shillong te ki ni ba the Office of the Director of Health Services Medical Education and Research invites application from permanent residents of Meghalaya and other eligible candidates as per standards regulations on a contractual basis to fill vacancies for setting up the central and departmental libraries of the proposed Shillong Medical College in the academic year 2025-26. Te kani ka post ki apply kani ka medical health services kani ka contractual basis te kito ki ba long eligible and ki ba don ni kedan puli ki ba ki lapan hang ni kila ban kita hang ni eligible candidates are to appear for the walk-in interview on the 28th and 29 April 2025 for the following posts as per the prescribed eligibility criteria. Te kedan ka walk-in interview hak alpra al tering te ba pihak ban apply sesuai kini ka post ban kong ka librarian ka lat ka ka post ta ke age limit ka ban 6 palat ikan rup ar6 not exceeding 62 years they can even pass masters sapok ka library science or library and information science nda can even done minimum experience of 15 years of professional experience in a library under a central state autonomous statutory organization PSU university or recognized research or educational institution they ka post ba assistant librarian ka post they ban plat ikan post name they ban pass ya ka master ka library science hi nta ke diban 10 years experience hakini ki institution ba fair nta ke diban computer skills nta ka post ba ar ke abala ke library science kelai artli ke post ke diban pass bachelor's degree hapok library science nta ke diban computer knowledge nta ka post basa ke library attendant ke post diban 6 pelat ka sa post name ke diban pass ya ka 10+2 dan ya ka higher secondary certificate te ka tulap nam ta kini ki post kadai kilong kami harum librarian kadai rupo charge benai assistant librarian kadai san po charge benai library assistant sapo charge benai library attendant arpsana charge benai te kila ban ke bakwa ban apply ke ban apply in standard form and kila ban apply submit ke resmi jengki sakani ka address ke the Office of the Director of Health Services Medical Education and Research Lamali Pasture Hills Shillong Meghalaya te hadu ka arpsautorik menai ba saw ar charpsan hadu ka por saw chen chenmian te kidi ban apply kidi ban submit sakni ka office te perlok kini ka post kemang long ipi kidi ka contractual basis pinamla ban claim ya kini ki post kum ka permanent post ndai kidi ka contractual basis kila ban penkut akunu ka por baki baka organization kedan kam barka biasu ka performance dong ki ketu ke bayo kini kam te tangkini kising pernam tasni ngai pia sutu ngai pia cumtoy na video ke bang pami ka channel chonga bal da pia cumtoy sumba like share ba subscribe hang ba tuai ki parlok ru pia cumtoy na ba ke video ke bang pami ka channel chonga kulai sibon